The Galaxy S26 Ultra is starting to sound like one of the most exciting upgrades Samsung has made in years. According to new leaks, it's set to run on Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, a chip that already leaves last year's Snapdragon in the dust when it comes to performance. But the improvements don't stop there. This time around, Samsung is pairing that processor with significantly faster memory, and the numbers are impressive. Tipster Ice Universe claims the S26 Ultra will pack DDR5X RAM capable of hitting speeds up to 10.7 GB per second. If that doesn't mean much to you on paper, here's some context. That's on par with Micron's newest DDR5X chips, which are not only faster but also roughly 20% more power efficient than the previous generation. Compared to the S25 Ultra's 9.6 GB per second, you're looking at about an 11 to 12% jump in raw speed, paired with better efficiency for everyday use. In real-world terms, that should translate to smoother 8K video recording, higher frame rates in demanding games, faster image processing, and an overall snappier feel when juggling multiple apps, all without your battery draining quite as quickly. And remember, this is just one of the rumored upgrades. The S26 Ultra is also expected to bring a thinner body, a slightly larger display with slimmer bezels, and that TSMC-built Snapdragon chip for improved performance and thermal management. Put all of this together, and the S26 Ultra might be more than just another yearly refresh. It could be one of the most meaningful Galaxy releases in recent memory. The real question is, does this sound like the flagship you've been waiting for, or are you holding out for something even more groundbreaking? Let us know in the comments.